And now the rats are exploring. So I'm actually little training them. This one, yes, that one is little shish pee everywhere. But that's fine. And guys, cats are very curious animals, okay? You can just let them roam so they will learn how things are. And they are playful animals. If you're planning to own a cat, guys, it's a long time commitment just because they're cute when they are young. And then when they grow up, you will not notice them and you won't be giving them attention. And no, that's not what it is. And before you adopt a cat, make sure to research, especially if you are a dog owner. Cats are very independent, while dogs are very, very sweet and dependent on you. If you're a dog owner and planning to get a cat and how to take good care of cats, comment down below if you want to know their traits, animal behaviors, cat behaviors. Because seriously, I owned cats when I was a kid, a very, very young age though. You know, the things that do and not to do kind of behavior is your cat. Like, you know, do's and don'ts, especially for cats. So subscribe for more. I'll be teaching cat behavior often.